Hey foodies, it's Hannah from Bloggin Good Food. Do you want a dish that is yummy, easy and fun to make? Then you will love butter chicken. This recipe can be spicy or mild and fit any diet. So, grab your ingredients, put on your aprons and let's have some fun. First, we need to make the chicken tasty. We will use yogurt, some spices like coriander and cumin, lemon juice and ginger garlic paste. Mix them together, rub them on the chicken and let it sit for 30 minutes or more. This will make the chicken very yummy. Next, we need to cook the onions. Heat some oil in a pan and add some cumin seeds. They will make a nice smell. Then, add chopped onions and cook them until they are brown. This will make the sauce rich and smoky. Now, we need to make the tomato sauce. Add some chopped tomatoes and cook them until they are soft and juicy. We want a bright and smooth sauce, so use a lot of tomatoes. You can also add some nuts for more creaminess. Then, blend everything into a puree. The sauce should be silky and smooth. Now we need to add the spices. Heat some butter because it's butter chicken and add garam masala, turmeric and chili powder. Don't burn them, just toss them to make a nice smell. Then add the tomato puree and let it cook. This will make the sauce spicy and flavorful. Remember, the chicken we made tasty. It's time to add it to the sauce. Put the chicken pieces in the pan and let them cook slowly. Don't cook them too much. They should be soft and juicy. The chicken and the sauce will mix well and make a creamy and yummy dish. This is butter chicken. We are almost done, foodies. To finish the dish, add some cream and some butter. More butter because it's good. And let it cook for a few more minutes. And that's it, my friends. Buttered chicken. So what are you waiting for? Get your ingredients, follow these steps and enjoy the butter chicken at home. Don't forget to visit our website blogginggoodfood.com for more yummy recipes. Eat your butter chicken with naan bread or rice for the best meal.